PS4 job. This is not a Pro. It might be the Slim. The Slim and the Pro are the same things. The problem is actually here. Now, he said his DVD drive doesn't work, right? Now, remember the video I made earlier this year? It was something here that was bad. Well, this is it right here. See what it says F202? This fuse right here is no good. So what I'm gonna end up doing is ripping it off the board and just bridging that gap. That throws the 12 volts out for this chip, the 5 volts and 12 volts for the drive to work. Now let's undo that and see what happens. All back together and brand new. And it was actually stuck on an update also, between an update. When this happens with the motherboard, when the DVD controller goes out, it won't update anything. It'll give you an update error or a hardware error. Weird thing, huh? Good job, Sony. As always, I hope you learned something, and thanks for watching.